Hello everyone. Today I want to present marketing analysis in Ericsson. As we know, telecommunication is one of the fastest growing industry in the world. And if a company wants to be the real power at the head of the industry, requires a detailed understanding of the market and its customers' requirement. And in that, it must have a correct analysis of past and present performance and future projection for the upcoming plans. In the last few years, the Ericsson company has been able to exclude competitors and remain first telecommunication industry. In this research, we evaluate market and customer demands and key benefit of Ericsson, and we compare the market strategy with other competitors. Here is agenda. First of all, we will discuss about the top telecommunication companies. After that, we will review stability analysis of Ericsson. And then we will discuss about the competitive analysis. After that, I will compare competitors in terms of earning and total assets, followed by sales in different regions of the world. At the end, I will have a brief review of sales, closer look at the different area. Ericsson, well known as Swedish company and multinational telecommunication equipment, was founded in 1876 by Lars Magnus Ericsson. The primary activity of the company was in telegraph equipment repair and production, and activity of Ericsson began by building devices and system components. Ericsson is one of the largest manufacturers of communication systems and telecommunication, as well as IT services providers, and one of the main actors in the industry, along with its subsidiary mobile networks and internet multimedia system regarded in Europe. Huawei Technology Company is known as multinational company in field of computer, networks, and communications. This company has roughly 20 R&D centers which are located in China, US, Sweden, Germany, India, Russia, and Turkey. At present, products and services used in 140 countries and 45 companies from 50 world telecom operators use Huawei equipment. ZTE is leading integrated telecommunication equipment manufacturer in the world market and provider of global telecommunication solutions, with share listed on the main board of the Shenzhen Stock Exchange and the main board of Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Telecommunication equipment provider Alcatel-Lucent is a multinational company with the headquarters in Paris, France. The company is well known as owner of Bell Lab, which is the largest research center in the communication industry. Let's begin with stability analysis in Ericsson. We use these analysis tools to have a better perspective about Ericsson and its marketing strategy. The process involves identifying the strengths and weakness of the organization, an opportunity and threat present in the market that it operates in. Strengths are flexibility in providing and conducting business solutions, a skilled workforce, a strong market share, good brand value, good customer relation with quality offering, flexible and responsive organization, global presence in over 180 countries, a strong R&D department. Weaknesses are low revenue and earnings, credit and other risk regarding customers, cost and high loan rates, investment in research and development. Opportunities are new emerging markets, growing demands, service application, new product and services, venture capital, growth rate, and profitability. Threats are fast market changing, technically complicated, telecommunication environment, highly competitive, telecommunication market raising cost of raw material and taxes, limited production of intellectual property rights. As we see in a stability table, Ericsson has a good position between telecommunication companies in the world now, but there are some points that managers should keep in mind. Many companies are active in telecommunication market and industry change very fast. Therefore, to stabilize the situation, study and careful consideration are required for future plan of rival companies. Well-known technologies should be used in future product in order to attract customers. The customer needs should be recognized and respond quickly for customer to meet the need of competing firm willing. Financial markets severely impact on the performance of the company, so financial markets should always be monitored and safe enough deal with the risk and financial difficulties are excluded. Employees from the lowest level of the highest class should be kept satisfied. They need to feel part of team. Professionals should always be used in different part of company. This graph shows competitors in terms of earning. This graph shows the revenue. We can see that Ericsson stands as a second company after Huawei by incoming comparison in industry. Huawei company specified policies which would be as key factor by selling the product with lack of knowledge and low price to customers could earn more than 2 times in compare of other competitors in the market. This graph shows total asset of each competitor. We can see that the total asset of the company go to Ericsson in second place after Huawei, Alcatel and ZTE companies have been respectively achieved. This graph shows the sales per region. We can see that in Asian, Oceania, Huawei company with the highest sales and roughly 61.23% of the market between the companies surveyed, and approximately 64% of the sales volume of company in 2014. Ericsson company has large sales in America of around 600 to 9,252 million dollar in America. This compare to about 34% of sales, which amount to be 34% of Ericsson sales in 2014 is included. In Europe, the highest volume of sales belong to Huawei company, Ericsson company in Africa with very little difference with higher than the company Huawei. Alcatel now has almost of the revenue from the continent of America. ZTE has about 65% of the sales in 2014 in Asia. This table shows sales closer look at different area. The highest sales growth was in India, which was around 25%, and in Middle East by around 22%. Sales in Africa, North America, and Mediterranean region in 2014 were lower than in 2013, and the need for future investigation in order to identify reason for the drop in sales in this area. Thank for time to see my presentation.